Khan, the illegally incarcerated former Prime Minister of Pakistan, has said after testimony by state witnesses, the politically motivated Toshakhana 2 case should be dismissed. Mr. Khan's former military secretary, deputy military secretary, and another witness testified that the then Prime Minister had no role in influencing the assessment by the state gift repository, according to reports. A regime witness also said during cross-examination that he was forced to give false testimony when he was abducted. Quote, the false case of Toshakhana 2 has also completely collapsed because the case was based on the statement of a person who has now been proven false in court. There is no justification to drag this case further since even the prosecution's own witnesses, Brigadier Ahmed and Colonel Rehan, have testified that the documents of the gifts taken from the Toshakhana were complete, unquote. Additionally, Mr. Khan, in his message conveyed through his family, called on Pakistanis across the country to join the September 27th rally in Peshawar for the rule of law. Quote, on 27th September, the entire nation must participate in the Peshawar Jalsa. This rally is for the rule of law, a free media, an independent judiciary, and the restoration of democracy. The whole nation must unite and raise one voice, unquote. Mr. Khan has now been held for 780 days by General Asim Munir. More than 24 people were killed overnight in an apparent aerial bombing carried out by Pakistani Air Force jets in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. Images circulating on social media showed the bodies of children, women, and other civilians, as well as livestock, while elected lawmakers displayed fragments of bombs, claiming the attack was conducted by the Pakistani Armed Forces. Media reports indicated that at least 25 people had died in the bombing. Members of Imran Khan's PTI staged protests at the site of the attack and accompanied demonstrators who marched to the residence of the local military commander. PTI lawmakers also raised the issue on the floor of the Provincial Assembly. In a condemnation statement, Mr. Khan's party slammed the attack and said, quote, Chairman Imran Khan's clear policy is that such actions not only gravely harm law and order, but are nothing more than a conspiracy against the PTI government and the people's mandate, unquote. PTI's provincial government also announced compensation for the victims.